national emergency message being transmitted at the request of the government of the United States. All television stations, radio stations, cable providers, satellite services, and communication networks are required to carry this message. The following information concerns an unprecedented astronomical event that is expected to affect every nation, territory, and population center on Earth. All citizens are urged to remain calm and listen carefully to the entirety of this broadcast. At 8:14 Eastern Daylight Time, scientists of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, in cooperation with observatories and space agencies around the world, confirmed that the planet Jupiter has deviated from its natural orbit and is now traveling on a direct collision course with Earth. The cause of this event remains unknown. Multiple scientific organizations have independently verified the data and confirmed its accuracy. There is no evidence of equipment malfunction, observational error, or miscalculation. Jupiter will collide with Earth in approximately 4 hours. Despite immediate international efforts, there is no available technology capable of altering Jupiter's trajectory. All proposed emergency measures have been reviewed and deemed ineffective. Government officials, military organizations, and scientific authorities worldwide have unanimously concluded that the collision cannot be prevented. We cannot deflect Jupiter nor escape from this fate. As Jupiter approaches, severe global disturbances are expected to occur. These disturbances may include, but are not limited to, massive earthquakes affecting every continent, widespread volcanic activity and crustal instability, extreme tidal effects across all oceans, equals powerful atmospheric shock waves, supersonic winds capable of destroying structures, failure of electrical, communication, transportation, and emergency service infrastructure, global environmental collapse preceding impact. The final collision is expected to result in the complete destruction of Earth. The survival of humanity, along with all known forms of life on the planet, is considered impossible. At this time, you are advised to remain with family members, friends, and loved ones. Individuals are encouraged to spend their remaining time in whatever manner brings them comfort, whether that be with family, personal reflection, prayer, or other peaceful activities. We thank you for everything you brought into this nation and the world. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system. This is the final message issued by the United Nations to all people of Earth. As previously reported by international scientific agencies, Jupiter remains on a direct collision course with our planet. Updated calculations confirm that impact is expected within the next hour. Over the past several months, governments, space agencies, scientific organizations, and military forces from around the world have worked together in an unprecedented effort to prevent this catastrophe. Every available technology, resource, and strategy was employed in an attempt to alter Jupiter's trajectory or protect the Earth from the impending impact. Despite these efforts, all attempts have failed. At this time, there is no remaining method capable of preventing the collision. The destruction of Earth is now considered unavoidable. The impact will cause planetary devastation on a scale beyond anything previously recorded in human history. The resulting effects will make the continued survival of humanity and all known life
life impossible. Emergency services and government authorities may no longer be able to respond to requests for assistance. Communications infrastructure is expected to fail shortly before impact. Citizens are advised to remain calm. If possible, spend your remaining time with family, friends, and loved ones. Seek shelter where available, remain together, and provide comfort and support to those around you. Parents are encouraged to stay close to their children. Communities are encouraged to support one another during these final moments. Throughout our history, humanity has endured wars, disasters, disease, and hardship. We have crossed oceans, explored the skies, walked upon the moon, and expanded our understanding of the universe. We have created art, music, literature, science, and countless achievements that reflect the very best of our species. Though our time has come to an end, the story of humanity will forever remain a testament to courage, perseverance, and hope. The United Nations wishes to express its deepest gratitude to every individual who has contributed to our shared journey, no matter how great or small. Every life has mattered. Every act of kindness has mattered. Every dream, achievement, and sacrifice has helped shape the world we leave behind. In these final moments, let us remember not our divisions, but our unity. Let us remember that for a brief moment in the vast history of the cosmos, we were here. Together. May peace be with you all.
kept you waiting, huh?
Sorry, I forgot. Damn! Oh, that's right.
That all you've got?
Damn it. You lost it.
It's over. You out of your mind? You can't wear that in battle. It's like saying to the enemy, hey, here I am, shoot me.
Well, I think it looks good on me. Who are you? Don't play dumb.